color-coded alert frameworks have their pluses and minuses, right? I mean, it's very easy to understand a color, but then the color becomes very binary, right? And people focus only on the color, right? But this is the framework we have, and we work with the present framework. We can't change the framework in the middle of a situation now, right? So bearing that in mind, when you look at the framework today, when we put the framework out, said that if you were to apply that framework in a SARS situation, it would have been an orange during SARS. We've said that, right? So for it to be red, it would have to be certainly intuitively, right, worse than SARS, right? But I should add, let's not get into this thing about speculating, anticipating, worrying whether it's going to turn from orange to red, right? Which I think to some extent happened when it went from yellow to orange, and then it created that sense of panic and concern, right? Because, and again, like I said, that's partly, you have to deal with it because any color-coded framework, you have to, if you are to change, then it triggers that change, and then people focus only on the color, right? But for now, I would say let's not think and anticipate or speculate even too much about when the color will change. That's not our focus now at all. We are in orange, and within orange, we can put in place a whole range of measures, right, that are more than what we have today. Right? And we continue to assess the risk. We continue to look at the situation as it evolves. Each day we get more information, and we may very well put in more measures if and when the need arises. So the focus shouldn't be on the color of the framework. The focus should be on the measures, what the risks are, what the evidence is saying, or what the data is saying about the risk, and how we are tackling each of the relevant risk that we see through various precautions and measures which we have put in place and which we may have to do more in the coming days.